Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Barbie and welcome back to my dollhouse. If you saw my previous video of me showing you mom and dad's bedroom, then you know today we're going to be looking at another room. Today we are going to be looking at Skipper's room. So as you saw, yes, my dollhouse is made out of a cube organizer, bookshelf. I talked a little bit more about that in my previous video, and today we are going to look at Skipper's room. So of course, this is Skipper, and this is her room. I use it in my Everyday Adventures doll series. And I do have pictures of what it used to look like. Once again, my mom did do this room for me. She redesigned it. I just recently got into redesigning rooms. It's not exactly something that comes naturally to me, so I've been experimenting and kind of doing some things on my own now. But as you see before, Skipper's room was jungle themed. It was just a few plastic pieces thrown into a bedroom with some pieces of cloth thrown on her bed and
just nothing really matches.
And some random accessories. So it was just kind of a filler to make her have a bedroom, but now she has an official bedroom. Anyway, let's get into how everything was made and how you guys can possibly make them too. This room is so dark for filming, but anyway, let's start with the floor. So the floor is actually paper. It works great. And then this here is a piece of leopard cloth cut into kind of a shape of an animal. Just kind of added a little bit more definition since we do have this paper floor. Add some more color to it since we got a lot of green going on. Kind of breaks it up a little bit. So that's the floor. This little side table here, let's focus on what's on top of it. So instead of like a regular lamp, we are using this little lantern, which is so cute. Really matches the whole jungle themed vibe. We have frogs kind of in random places. I love frogs, and this one's adorable. So just got a little frog decoration here. And this is literally a piece of wood from a tree in my backyard. This is super easy to make. I know not everybody has saws, but many times you can just go out and find things right in your backyard. You know I do that a lot. It's how I made my yarn hanging in mom's room. This table isn't for every room, but it looks great in this one. These little vine fuzzy like branches hanging here, again, are just from Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, any place you can find those fake plants. And again, super inexpensive. I know you guys are probably waiting for me to get to this hanging chair part. At least it is one of my favorite parts. So I'm just gonna take it down here. It is just hanging on a command hook that's stuck to the ceiling. So yes, we've got some fake leaves, hot glued to the top, but it is, oh, I dropped a little elephant guy that was in there. Tiny plushies, so cute. All right, so on the inside, there's this round cushion. And then it is a circle piece with long fabric sewn to it. You can kind of visualize it by looking here, you know, slightly overlapped. I don't have the pattern to it. I think my mom was just kind of experimenting with it. As you can see here, we just have some pieces folded over to make that opening. So in reality, it's actually very easy to make. And you have your own little chair pod. And I actually found these mini stuffed animals. I have a couple more that don't exactly match the room all that well. I found these at like a local thrift store and they came in a little pack. And they're so fun because they're perfectly Barbie sized and I don't know, mini stuffed animals are cute. Okay, another thing we found in our backyard is this pole that's used for hanging things. Right now she has this kind of like beehive hat hanging on there. It kind of looks jungly. So we just kind of have that hanging on there. But honestly, this is a branch. We found a branch that had a lot of little twigs, little branches sticking off of it, trimmed them up. And then if it's not the right size, we did just add this little furniture floor protector onto the end of it to kind of help wedge it in there. And that's where Skipper hangs all of her things. Sometimes she'll hang her hoodies on there, fanny packs, hats. So that's kind of where she hangs up her stuff. This corner of the room is so dark. Anyway, the back wall, again, is paper from Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, all those places you can get craft paper. So we've got this palm leaves on the back here. The bed is so unique. Anyway, on top here, I have this world's smallest sock monkey. So he matches good. He's cute. Let me just bring out the bed for you guys. Whoops. Of course, we have a pillow. This is just a black pillow, black cloth, stuffing inside. Nothing too fancy about that. Again, here's our blanket. It's nothing too hard. It's just this green, dark green muslin color. 2 pieces sewn together. There's nothing inside of it. It's just to make it a little thicker and a little more finished. And then we have, this mattress is actually just 2 black pieces sewn together with some batting inside. It's not like I normally make my mattresses, like foam with, you know, glued onto cardstock and then covered in cloth. This one was just pretty basic. I don't think we really wanted the bed to be too high. This is like a miniature pallet. So it's supposed to look seriously rustic. And my dad made this. He did an incredible job. He made all these tiny boards, stapled them on, stained it. So I'm thinking in my head like an easier way to do this would be to use popsicle sticks. And you can get square dowels at stores like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, and stuff like that. So this really would not be too hard to recreate with different materials. I kind of love how she's like sleeping in the jungle. I just think that would be so fun. Moving on to this wall, we have more of these vines strung up here. And down here, we have some more figurines. I have another frog. Lemurs? I don't know, they were just cute and they just are so cute. So they're just kind of hanging out on top of here, which is her side table. Also, a chest to store her shoes. These are super easy to find. I think my mom may have bought this off of like eBay or Etsy. I don't know, if you just Google like small wooden chests or small wooden jewelry boxes, these things usually do come up. And then she literally probably took like a bag of screws and like whacked it to make it look more rustic and what's the word? Worn. More realistic, I guess, for the look we were going for. And then she had like this little like wax stain stuff. I don't know, I could be describing this completely wrong. That she just rubbed on here to kind of give it more color, because usually these will come really light. So the cool thing is you can just paint them however you want to look in the space you're using them for. So that is Skipper's little chest and table. And I'm just gonna put these little guys back up here. This last piece here are just these boots, and they're just a pair of boots that came on one of my Barbie dolls, but they kind of complete the look. So, and there you have it. That is Skipper's jungle themed bedroom. There's actually not a whole lot to it, and it's actually super simple to make. So if you guys are enjoying me showing you how I made my dollhouse, make sure to tell me in the comments. You can subscribe if you'd like. I'll continue putting out more videos like this. I do have some projects I think coming up here where I'm gonna make possibly some more rooms and some other fun things I'm gonna try. I'd love to bring you guys along for the ride. So I'll have a new video next week, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey there! If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching!